What is up, guys? Today we are going to be playing Call of Duty Mobile, because over the day I didn't post, I was supposed to. I was doing something else that you guys can see right now. Is this the Renetti pistol? Because this is the new pistol, and I got it. I spent a bit on it, and I just got it, even though I used it once. I used it once, and it was just a little bit. So let's go. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. So this is gonna be a video of me upgrading the Renetti pistol, because I still didn't get my sniper all the way leveled up and gold. Next video I'll do that one. Have the sniper go to gold. Because you see, I already got my assault rifle to gold. So it looks like it's a burst. A burst pistol.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Lost the lead. Hardpoint is ours. It's too close. Fight harder. Hardpoint contested.
There's a
We've taken the lead. Hardpoint contested.
I thought I saw one on the ground.
Hardpoint
So I was about to grab it.
Hardpoint contested.
Actually, I'm not the best pistol user,
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
because I just reload.
Enemy contact.
Even though
Tied for the lead.
switching to your pistol is faster than reloading.
Hardpoint contested. We've taken the lead.
So
Hardpoint contested.
I just reload. I just get into some cover and reload. So I don't really use pistol, except for the hand killer, because that's the default, because that's a whole different ball game. That pistol can one shot. So okay. Oh, okay, I'm gonna use my special. They'll let me know.
Predator missile inbound. Hardpoint contested.
Why did you do that earlier? I already died.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint.
Aren't there supposed to be bots in my game? Not like people are bad. I mean like actual bots.
Hardpoint lost. Enemy down. Friendly sentry gun deployed.
There was so many people right there. Oh, there's three! There's three!
Hardpoint locked down.
Oh,
Hardpoint contested.
yeah, it's a burst pistol.
Hardpoint contested.
I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Oh, you can hold it down. I just do fully auto burst.
Hardpoint contested.
Man has aimbot. Man had aimbot. Look at me through the wall. Echo hacks.
Friendly Predator missile inbound. Hardpoint
I think these guys have aimbot. I don't know about you, but I see aimbot.
Hardpoint contested. Sentry gun deployed. Hardpoint contested.
Look, it's not accurate in
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested.
no.
Hardpoint
Right.
contested.
Right.
Strike is ready.
You have aimbot?
EMP systems ready. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint is ours. Friendly sentry gun deployed.
Okay, I
Hardpoint
need to
contested.
spot him, and then I need to get some
Hardpoint
kills
locked down.
right away.
Hardpoint is ours.
Did I get it? Did I get it? I think I got it. Either that or was that turn? I think it was a turn. Yeah, it was a turn. Oh man. Dang turn. It's mean. It's really mean. Oh, my streak of getting MVP every single game. Oh no. 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 Oh, it's level 4 now. Should I put a scope on this? I don't think I need the scope. Damage range by 20. And add damage range by 20. So I'll need one of the ones that are damage range by like 35. Yeah, did I get a stock on it? Get a stock on a pistol. Oh my god. What is this? Is that a grip? Air grip it, none. Okay, how about this? Does that work? Does it give me stuff? Like wounding damage, laser, trigger. Oh, definitely need some arrows to take up every day. And grip tape is battle right now. And this, that, boom. Charm. Put that on. And sticker. Boom. Fully customized. We're done. Okay guys, this is it for the video. That's my shortest video yet. And I see you guys. Psych. I'm not ending this now. What is in here? Here, that. Okay. What is this? Fishing grenade. Oh, that looks pretty cool, but I'm not wearing it. And sniper rifle, go here, and here, and reptile. You know what? How much do I need? 60 kills? 60 kills with a sniper rifle? Okay. You know what? I can do that. Sweep away everything on it. Everything on except the camo because I like the camo. Everything's off of the gun. So what do I need for it? A tile. 60 kills with no attachments. I can do that today. I can do that right now. Because you guys see that I get like 80, I get like 60 kills a game, 40 kills a game. I get, with just the the QQA, I think, or aka the MP5. That's my teammate. I missed. I just need kills with stuff.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint identified.
You see, when it doesn't have no attachments,
Almost there. Keep it up. Hardpoint identified.
I have to hit someone at least. Oh, that's a double kill. And I died.
Hardpoint
Okay, I don't know about this anymore. You see, I should get some juicy kills. Like that. You see, but when they're actually using guns that I would use, that's when it starts getting hard.
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
You see,
Hardpoint is ours.
I tried doing no scopes and that stuff. And wait, was that the same guy
Hardpoint
that I killed
contested.
and then he spawned right beside his teammate? He went too fast. No, someone behind me. Someone behind me.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
I couldn't zoom in time.
Hardpoint identified.
That's my teammate.
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
I missed twice. On the same guy. And then this guy comes out of nowhere. With a gold assault rifle.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Enemy UAV spotted.
No, keep going to
Hardpoint
that.
is ours. Hardpoint lost.
I killed one guy, but not the other. That's the only... That's how I died. Just I killed one guy, but not the other.
Inbound.
Dead.
Hardpoint locked.
That's where everyone goes when it's on this part. Okay,
Hardpoint is ours.
3 kills.
Hardpoint contested.
I'm fine with 5 kills. That was a pretty clean shot though.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Airstrike is ready.
Oh my god. I think I'm really good at this game.
Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted. Hardpoint locked down. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint is ours.
Oh, hey.
Contested. Hardpoint contested.
The dang turn just comes out of nowhere.
Locked down. Hardpoint contested.
That was my teammate and the turn.
Contested. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hostile stealth chopper inbound. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint
Teammate was
locked
right behind him.
down. Contested.
Oh, snap. I hit him.
Sentry gun deployed. Hardpoint
I
is
got 2 hit
ours.
markers.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Target down. Need backup.
Hardpoint locked down. Heads up, team. Enemy spotted. Hostiles
No.
have the hardpoint.
Wait, do I have it? I don't
Hardpoint
have it.
contested. Hardpoint is
Where's this
ours.
helicopter at?
Enemy contact.
Hostiles have destroyed your sentry gun. Friendly
Oh, the
airstrike
helicopter's
incoming.
gone.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
I thought the helicopter was still there.
Lost.
Yeah. Oh. Hey. So,
Hostile sentry gun in your AO. Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
that's pretty mean. There's like 3 guys there with the turret, and also
Hardpoint
a
contested.
defense.
Enemy contact.
Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Enemy airstrike incoming.
And then this dang turret is still there.
Friendly XS-1 Goliath incoming.
Enemy down.
Friendly XS-1
I just need
Goliath is
60
landing.
kills. If I get 60 kills in one game, I'm perfect. I'm perfectly fine. Because that'll be a gold a gold sniper rifle.
Enemy UAV spotted. Hardpoint
My
locked
name
down.
flipped. Wait a sec. Oh my god.
Enemy contact.
Okay, that just makes sense. I spawn and instantly die
Lost.
by a dang sparrow.
Tango down.
Hardpoint is ours. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Hardpoint contested.
Hey. I was last killed because I'm good. I didn't see that I shot him. All I did was shot his tip of a gun. And I was like, oh, yeah, he shot him. He shot him alright. I think I only got 50 kills, I think.
Nice work. Well done.
Somewhere in the 50s or 40s. $49. Okay. 49. Boom. I need 11, I think. Yeah, 11 more to go until I get my gold gun. And then after I get my gold gun, which is in one more match, either go shut it off or play one match again with the pistol I just got. Because in this game, I want to get gold for the MP5. But since I'm pretty sure after this game, I just need 11 kills, and then I'll get my gold sniper rifle. I'll be set. Got 2 gold guns, assault rifle, and then I'll have this. Most likely you'll get 3 kills every every life because that's my KD.
Hardpoint identified. It's too close.
Or I die right away. Makes sense. And I have a 0 point something KD.
We've taken the lead. Hardpoint locked down.
Enemy down.
1. 2. Don't run around with that. That's 3. 4.
Recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by.
Man's
Hardpoint
running
contested.
around with a
Hostiles
bat.
have the hardpoint. Hardpoint
I think
is
that guy's
ours.
just gonna beat people down with a dang bat.
Hardpoint contested.
Oh, snap. I think he's good.
Target down.
I knew he
Hardpoint
was gonna be behind
contested.
me. It was so obvious. I'm
Hostiles
pretty
have
sure he's
captured
trying
the
to get gold on
hardpoint.
his weapon too.
Hardpoint locked down. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Dang bat again.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint identified.
Okay, that makes sense. He showed up behind me. Lost switching weapons. Good. I just saw him die right in my eyes.
We lost the lead.
I have contact.
Hardpoint locked down.
Oh, I think I just did mess up with him.
We've taken the lead. Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted. Hardpoint contested.
Hostile sentry guns.
Hardpoint is ours.
Oh man, it's supposed to spawn kill me out. Great. No, I just loved being spawn killed. Perfect.
Hardpoint identified.
Thing is scary. Who's here? Okay. You need to grab it. So we don't actually
Enemy
lose.
sentry gun has been destroyed. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested.
I'm sweating this thing.
Target down.
Did I just kill someone I didn't even kill? He just popped out of nowhere.
Boom. Headshot. Enemy contact. Headshot.
Airstrike is ready.
Ah. I have an idea.
Hardpoint contested.
Let's go pop this. Go away.
Target down.
Hardpoint is ours.
Ward. Or, okay,
Hardpoint
let's ward.
contested.
I die to this guy.
Enemy contact. Enemy down.
Enemy got that. Enemy down. Bye.
Friendly stealth chopper inbound.
Bye. And my teammate.
Hardpoint
My teammate doesn't have my back.
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
So this is why I
Hostile
think
sentry
of
gun in your AO.
the hard
Friendly
point.
airstrike incoming.
No. That actually looked pretty cool.
Hardpoint lost. Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed. Sentry gun deployed.
I couldn't look through my sights fast enough. And I couldn't do like a no scope. It was pretty terrible. And I just got a title. And why is it turned up there?
Hardpoint.
Target down.
Hardpoint locked down.
Man's gonna shoot something down.
Rifle down.
Keep on them. We're winning this one. Airstrike is ready.
6 kill streak?
Enemy down.
Come on. Come on. No! I didn't get 5 kills. But I'm pretty sure I got most kills. Look at my man. My man shot this guy with an LMG. With no sight. I think my man's pretty good. I think he's good. I think he wasn't a bot. I think he held his ground. Oh, I really think he held his ground.
Mission accomplished. Good work.
And that's my gold. Yeah, my man held the ground. Held his ground. Da 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 da. There we go. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Do you like my gold weapon? Do you like it? How about my gold weapon's better than yours? Better than yours. Look at my gold weapon. It's so beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. Do you like the sight? Well, I could change that. If you don't like the sight, I guess you don't like the sight. You don't like the sight? Fine. Different sight. That's right. Save. Gold boy. Gold boy. Man. No. Gold boy. What's up, gold boy? How are you? Looking fine, gold boy. I just imagine people seeing a golden sniper. Oh, you can't be full gold boy. Yay, got gold boy. And then we got other gold boy. And then soon, it'll be another gold boy. But that'll be it today. I got my gold boy. And I see you guys next time.